Multiple well-funded efforts are underway to decarbonize energy production by replacing fossil fuel-based energy sources with sources that generate no or much less carbon dioxide in 2024. One of these efforts is to incorporate large-scale energy storage devices into the existing power grid. These are an important part of enabling the use of renewable sources since they provide additional supply and demand for electricity to complement renewable sources. Several types of grid-scale storage that vary in the amount of energy they can store and how quickly they can discharge it into the grid are under development. Some are physical like flywheels, pumped hydro and compressed air, and some are chemical like traditional batteries, flow batteries, supercapacitors and hydrogen. Now what basically energy storage means? Energy storage relates to the storage of intermittent renewable sources of electricity such as wind and solar to decarbonize the global energy sector. In the past, electricity grids did not require masses of energy storage because the incumbent coal and gas-fired power plants could balance demand and supply to create a reliable system. However, the global economy is moving away from fossil fuel power generation and renewable are increasing their share of the energy mix in electricity grids worldwide. There are three most common energy schemes that are used to decarbonize energy. Number one is lithium batteries. These increases grid flexibilities and reliability. Number two, pumped hydro, which makes up to 97% of world's electricity grid storage and the same will increase by 2030. Salt cavern storage, which is the most promising technology for hydrogen storage based on its high operational safety, low investment cost, high sealing potential and low cushion gas requirement. Now, is this scheme beneficial for the future? The answer is yes. What's the future demand? Globally, capacity for energy storage is forecast to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 31% over the next decade, resulting in 741 gigawatt hour of cumulative capacity by 2030. Close to half of this growth is forecast to come from the USA, followed by China. Moreover, Europe, Germany, and the UK are expected to be the most active markets for energy storage investments. In Australia, South Australia continues to be the place where most energy storage investment activity occurs. Thank you for listening. Kindly like and subscribe the channel. Also share it. Thank you.